we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be drop testing, maybe if I can get this unfocused here. We're going to be drop testing this iPhone 4S. It does have a cracked back. It does have a good non-cracked screen, but it's a aftermarket and it's the cheapest screen I've ever seen on an iPhone. And it looks terrible. As you see, there's dirt behind the camera. This frame is in really bad shape anyways, and as you see, I can polish these out. So we're just gonna drop test it. I'm gonna order some OEM iPhone 4, 4S, and 4 GSM screens so I can rebuild a couple of my iPhones. So this one does have a good board and everything like that. So let's go ahead and go to the backdrop from waist height in 3, 2, 1. I bet you it cracked just because it's an iPhone 4 and 4S. They always crack. Yep, cracked even worse. Look at that. The back is coming off already. Try to push it back in there. What it's supposed to do is supposed to latch in there when you slide it down, but alrighty. Let's go and do the corner drop from waist height. I'm going to stand on this to hold it in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so that was a perfect corner drop. As you can see, it hit right here. Looking pretty good. It looks like that corner did deform a tad bit because the bezel doesn't really line up all the way. As you see, it's kind of uneven on that one corner a little bit, but overall doing pretty good. And then we're going to move to the face down from waist height. We already know what's about to happen, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, so like I said, I'm already betting it shattered, guys, because, you know, it's an iPhone. Oh, I just tossed it too again. Yep, she shattered a little bit up here at the top. Not too bad, but definitely kind of worse than what I was expecting. Now we're going to do the backdrop at head height in 3, 2, 1. Shattered even more, as you can imagine. It's starting to get really bad on the back. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and do the side drop on the opposite corner this time from head height. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, well, I landed on the opposite corner. So it did land on the opposite corner, the one that's already been hit before. Or did it? It might hit on the side. I'll have to look at the slow motion, but it did kind of look like it hit down there, maybe. Oh, the power button's working now. The power button wasn't working before. Let's go and do the face drop from head height now. So keep a picture of all the cracks because it's about to get worse now. In 3, 2, 1. Shattered. Actually, not as bad as I was thinking. Did crack the LCD with the digitizer right there. That crack is on the inside. Let's go and do the throw drop. Oh, the poor iPhone. It's about to get demolished. I can feel it already. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, guys. So when parts fly off an iPhone, it's never good. As you can see, here's the back. Completely trashed. Oh, the poor iPhone. The battery's hanging out of it. Ooh, look at that. Hey, right here on the top corner, maybe. I'll try to find all the parts, guys, and take it back with me. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. And stay tuned for the next one.